going on with y'all?
Is there an issue?
Nah, I don't know. Is there an issue with y'all? I'm asking y'all, is there an issue? I towed cars, man. This car was towed legit. It's got a bad tag from February 20. It's legit. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Non-consensual towing. It's what we do. We yank cars. Anyway, I got one behind me over here. It's got no tag on it now. I had expired tag that showed up over here. Whoever owns the vehicle, they came out and removed their tag. I don't know why. You can tell where it was stickered. We got that one. There's quite a few down here. I'm in DeKalb County, so got my vest on today just to be safe. Anyway, we got that van. You gotta be careful doing these work vans. Been doing this so long, I know how this thing, I know how things can turn real quick on you. When you're towing vans and there's multiple vans around, they're usually crews. A crew of brick masons or siding crew, roofing crew. I've had numerous people come out on these work vans, and when they come out, it's not usually one person. It's usually multiple people that'll come running out. You know, we get tied up 2 or 3 people at one time. They get overwhelmed and get caught up. So this is going to be a tight pull out here. Gotta be able to get that little Camry out. It's going to be tight, but I think I can get it. This right here is very tight spot I'm in. Very tight on this other car. I don't know if I can get it or not. I'm giving it a shot. Yeah, that's gonna be a hard one to get out. Expired tag, man.
What?
You got expired tag.
I'm waiting for the. Waiting for receiving the tag. I got it from the office by mail.
Yeah. It's a February.
Yes.
February tag. You have to pay it out, man. If you want to pay it out. That's the emissions, man. That's the emissions.
I just ask it. I just get my email. I just requested for the email. I'm just waiting for getting the tagging by email.
I understand. I understand. It's right now. It's got a 20 on it. I'm not trying to be difficult. It's just this is what I do.
No, really, I got you.
Listen, if you want to pay it out, it's a $100 drop fee on property. Does it run? It does run. Does the car run?
No, yes. I'm just waiting for my email.
Okay.
I can show you. I can print the email. To show you.
I'm saying you. I understand. I believe you, but you don't have the tag.
Yes, I got you.
Yeah.
I can show you. I can print the email that I'm waiting for the tag to put it in, because you know, in these moments that I cannot go to the office, I can request it for the email. I requested for the email. I'm just waiting for the email to put it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I understand.
And I know because my car was, you know, the emissions. Suddenly the car.
Yeah. Well, let me tell you what the property. They basically told me, they gave me the list of cars that are on here.
Yeah.
And told me if they're not fixed to tow them.
No, yeah.
So that's what I did. So I mean, it's expired. The tag's expired. if you want to pay the drop fee, you can. You keep it here.
I can pay because he already paid for the mission.
Yeah, I understand.
All the tests, I understand. A lot of money, man.
I understand.
This car, you know, is 98.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, I got this, you know, these difficult times to get the money. And
oh, I understand. Trust me, I understand. I understand fully.
And I'm sorry for.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The situation's what it is, but you're on the hook, man. You know what I'm saying? This is what I do. I tow cars. I unfortunately, man, I like, for instance, you know, I can't hook your car and let it go, and then tow the next person. You know, I'm towing everybody's the same. If you want to pay the drop fee, you can do that. It's not my money. You can pay with a card. You can call a company and pay a credit card. But if you don't want to pay it, I'm gonna have to tow it. You know what I'm saying?
Sir.
Yeah.
Please let me just print my email,
so
I can show you that my car passed the mission. I'm waiting for the email to get the tag.
Yeah.
And my car, I'm just waiting for that to put it on in the back.
Yeah, I understand.
And what should I do?
So you telling me you've already paid the tag fee?
Yeah, I can print it. Let me print it if
now
you want.
you've got a tag receipt where I ain't talking about emissions. I'm talking about your tag's legal and it says it's completed. I don't mean you paid the taxes. I mean you got a sticker coming in the mail.
Yeah.
This is the kind of stuff we run into. He tried to talk me out of towing it. You can't talk the tow guy out of towing. Granted, if he does have his tag receipt, Georgia tag receipt, and it shows that he's got a valid tag, that's going to be one of them catch-22 situations where I have to make a decision whether or not I want to tow the car, because rightfully, if he did get that tag, I'll probably have to drop the car. But I don't think the documents he's talking about, emails. Anyway, gave this guy time to go inside, and he's I know what he's doing. He's on the phone with the office, pleading with them to get me to drop his car, and he won't come back. He's not going to come back out here until he's convinced the office. He's a talker. He likes to talk. He's trying to talk his way out of it. But I'm fixing to pull off. We're going to see how quick he comes out that door. Because I'm going to go ahead and pull out right now. Playing too many games, man. You don't have the documents on it. You ain't got the documents for this car. Show me a VIN number.
These are the documents.
Where's the VIN number at? What's up, man? What's going on with y'all?
Is there an issue?
Nah, I don't know. Is there an issue with y'all? I'm asking y'all, is there an issue? I tow cars, man. This car was towed legit. It's got a bad tag from February 20. It's legit.
Confirmation, and you can see October 3rd.
Yeah. Man. Okay, that's 10-3, okay? That right there is legit on the emissions.
I didn't print the subject, I just print what I received from them. Was my wrong, I can print it back again and you can see the date. It was October 3rd. Man, I'm sorry for having you in this issue. And
hey, I'm going to tell the office.
Yeah.
But hey, put that document on the windshield. Yeah. That way the driver knows. If I'd have saw documents, man, tag renewal fee on the windshield, I wouldn't have hooked it, man.
Yeah.
It wouldn't even have got towed. You know, it was really hard getting it out anywhere where it was at. It was impossible to get out.
I know.
Yeah. Have a good one. Going again. Back over here, same property. Fixing to hook this thing up. Anyway, I just left the office and I was talking to that manager. I was telling her there's a guy with a Malibu back here. Every time a tow guy pulls in, he comes running out to his car and jumps in it and leaves the property. I told her about it. She said, well, she said all he's got to do is come up here and talk to her, and she'll give him time. But people just, you know, they don't follow through, and they don't talk to their managers, and they wind up getting towed. But all he's got to do is stop. I mean, he's drove past the office twice. Every time he's left, all he's got to do is pull in the office, and it won't get towed. But people just they don't understand, or maybe they think that they can't talk to the office or whatever. But you know, the office managers are the ones that run these properties. If you talk to them, it's up to them what gets towed. It's not up to the tow guy. So, and then she was laughing about it, and so was I. We were both laughing about it. It's kind of stupid for him to go take off running every time the tow guy gets there. Take off and run. That makes it really, that's just not using your head. Anyway, we're rolling. Here we go again. We're back on it, man. Somebody's fixing to get yanked. Oh, this Chevrolet van down there. That building, C building. He's on my list right here. Let's see here. Chevrolet. We got that van. White Chevy. He's actually at the A. He's at the A building. Actually, it's this Chevrolet right behind me. The Chevrolet right behind me. This A building is fixing to get hooked up. Oh, that guy's got a May tag on it. So we're gonna go ahead and get the chain set up. That way we don't lose a hook on it. There we go. I've already checked the tag on it earlier. I'll get a hook on it and I'll recheck it. I don't think they fixed it. It's been sitting there for a minute. Parking and junk cars at. What's going on, man? Okay, appreciate you. Hey, I'll be out of the way in about 2 minutes. Thank you. Contract to get me called over here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Come here more often. I know. Hey, they gonna start towing again heavy. Yeah, man. Hey, the pandemic's going around. There ain't no parking here. Right. This thing been sitting here for months, and ain't nobody got no parking. I know this property real well. Yeah. They'll start. Hey, the pandemic's going on, so they're being light on the towing. Yeah. But they're gonna crank it up. Okay. They will. Back in the back, man. There ain't nowhere to park. I know. I know they ain't. Hey, we got 3 out here. We got 3 so far today. Yeah. Yeah, it's been sitting there. Yeah, it's been there for months. You know? I used to do that right there. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Yeah. Have a good one, sir. Anyway, that's the reason they tow. Like that gentleman was asking, he asked me if we're going to be towing in there. He said we need to start towing more on this property. He's a resident here, and he knows how bad the parking is, especially when you got multiple families living in one unit, and they're taking up more parking than what they're really supposed to. One unit might have 5 cars, and that's not fair. Somebody like him, he's probably got 2 cars for a unit. And his neighbors may have 10 cars for 2 units. So he don't have anywhere to park his. And that's why this towing is done. It's done routinely. If they don't do this on a regular basis, then these properties, they fill up with these cars. I can't express how bad the problem gets, especially on a property like this one that's got minimal parking. They have to do it. It's a must do. Anyway, we're gonna sign out and roll. Appreciate you.